On the 25th of March this year, OpenAI gave us the game changer that is the 4.0 image generator for ChatGPT 4.0. Taking the place of DALL-E 3, it looks as though OpenAI has done it again with this one. Considered to be better than other image generators such as Midjourney, we may just have the best image generator out there because it can help bring many creators' ideas to life. Let's take a look and see how this new ChatGPT 4.0 can help bring many business ideas to life. Game changer. Looking at his image generator, you'd find that it is innovative in 4 distinct ways. The first interesting part of the image generator is that it has perfect text rendering. This means that things such as signs, menus, and the likes would be all readable and professionally formatted. The next feature of this image generator is that its images come with real-world physics, coupled with the third feature, which is its ability to carry out precise instruction following, as well as its universal accessibility in that you can find it easily on ChatGPT, and you'll find that this is the perfect app to bring your vision to life. What is great about this model is that it can streamline one's creative journey from beginner to expert. No longer will you have to use hundreds of hours to get a design or arts degree. No longer will you need weeks or months to learn how to use tools such as Premiere Pro or Photoshop. With decent prompting skills, you can now have the abilities of a digital artist, an interior designer, or a graphic designer. All you gotta do is make sure you get on ChatGPT 4.0 so that you can use the image generator. Business idea number 1, rapid logo and web design. Thanks to this model, people can go into business to create decent logos and web design for clients all over the world. The amazing thing about this model is that the process is rapid. No longer do parties need to meet for weeks on end so that they can decide on the perfect logo design. Then there is the time spent putting the ideas together. Those days are gone. Thanks to the ChatGPT 4.0 image generator, creators can get 100 logo concepts within minutes. All you need is the correct prompts to get this going. Once you pick through the ones that suit your goals best, you can give the client the best ideas before connecting them with a graphic designer that will bring these ideas to life. Quick and easy, you can even get a referral commission for bringing business to the graphic designer. Pretty neat, huh? Business idea number 3, interior design visualization. This model is also great because it can help the user perform interior design tasks. No longer would you need to spend weeks or thousands of dollars hiring an interior designer. Heck, you can even become the interior designer with this model working with you. All you need to do is enter the dimensions of the space and the kind of theme and color you'd like within this space. And voila, you're good to go. You can even refer to themes on other apps such as Pinterest. Don't miss out on starting that interior design business today with this model. Business idea number 3, AI image and video generation courses for digital marketing agencies. It seems pretty straightforward, especially as these agencies seem to be the ones that gain the most from such a concept. They are the ones that need rich and detailed images and videos because the better their content is, the more ROI their clients get. Add the fact that these clients get even more enthusiastic when they hear that their agencies are working with these AI, and you can see that there is this massive market to make these content for agencies. This would, in the very least, help these agencies perform their work in-house, rather than spending weeks or months putting a concept together because they have to do shoots and editing sessions. Those who are able to make courses that would help these agencies make use of models such as ChatGPT, 4.0 Image Generator, or OpenAI Sora for client work will stand to make a pretty penny as they will be selling skills as well as a competitive advantage to these agencies. Business idea number 4, motions graphics design. More often than not, the use of motion graphics design has proved to be the difference between a good and a great channel on social media. Normally considered to be both difficult and expensive, you can see why not too many channels may have it in their budget to get that cool motion graphic element on their channel. Well, those days are gone. With the ChatGPT 4.0 image generator, you can use the AI to generate animated images. Pretty awesome, right? Business idea number 5, AI designer course. Another great business that you can start with this AI model is to create an AI designer course. Sure, you may have to dive into everything that involves AI image generation at this point in time, but believe us when we say it is worth it because it will give you the ability to help other people develop their skills when it comes to the use of AI creative tools. This could even allow both you and them to go into freelancing. This may just be that side hustle that you need to get things going. All you have to do is hop on and figure out how to use those tools. Once you have these skills, you will be more prepared than others when it comes to upskilling. Once you are able to do so, not only will you be attractive to employers, you will also be able to design your own course. It truly is a great opportunity to take advantage of today. Business idea number 6. Plastic surgery previews. This is an interesting one, ain't it? This business will involve helping patients get something of a look as to what would happen to them if they committed to that procedure. This is fair enough, isn't it? Not only would it reduce the time spent in consultation, it would also affect the conversion rates dramatically because they will have this AI model that can guarantee what they would look like following their surgery. If there is anything that you would want to see the after part before you do it, it's probably surgery. Business idea number 7. Hair salons. When you think about it, this could also be perfect for hair salons. Pretty sure all the guys at the barbershop would like to know what a haircut looks like before they take that leap of faith. It's almost like creating your own character in 2K. Over at the hair salon, ladies can get a peek at what that new hairdo would look like before they give it a twirl. Simple and easy to run, this business idea could be the one that could be the perfect side hustle for you, especially if you work in these industries. Business idea number 8. Virtual try-on solutions for e-commerce. This is another viable venture one can enter thanks to the ChatGPT 4o image generator. You may even find some of the big brands have already gone to work with it. If you are familiar with VR, you'd see how some of these big brands have done this, by making use of this VR to see what some items may look like on 3 days versions of customers. This could be highly lucrative for those who master this, because some of these e-commerce stores are making hundreds of thousands of dollars per month. Some are even raking in millions. This is due to how simple the process is and how high the conversion rates are. All people need to do is upload pictures of themselves so that they can try on these virtual items. This is definitely one business you can look into. Business idea number 9. Generative AI creative agency. Finally, we take a look at a business that involves delivering rapid AI-generated creative assets for marketing. Considered to be a form of niche AI automation agency, maybe the best way to think of it is as some sort of next-generation creative agency or design agency. The difference may be that the process is more streamlined because instead of going through lengthy production cycles, all you'll be doing is building internal AI systems that will allow you to generate quality images and videos on demand. Pretty amazing stuff. All these show that you don't need to be an expert in these fields to get things going. Pick one of these and see your side hustle grow. This is the chance for you to use AI to change your life forever.